Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a picture after posting on Instagram. So in here, I've already on my Instagram apps, and you can start by going to your profile and go to the post that you want to edit. For example, in here, I'm going to edit this post right here. So just click on the post that you want to edit and click on the three dots icon at the top, this one, and you'll see there is this edit options. So tap on edit, and in here under the edit you can see there is the you can see this, you can edit the captions, you can tag people, you can edit alternative tags, and you can also add locations, add an AI label. But unfortunately there is no feature, or there is no direct features where you can add a picture after posting it on Instagram. So the only way to do it is just you can just repost the image. So you need to delete this first and repost it, or you can also just delete you can see this is a carousel post. You can delete one of the posts by clicking on this trash icon, and I think that's it. I hope this tutorial will be helpful, even though there is a no feature to post a picture after you are posting the photos on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.